Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Japanese Language. This video for those people who are learning for JLPT N5 and N4 exam. Before we start today's class, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from my channel. Okay friends, let's start today's session without wasting time. In our last class, we learned sa, si, su, se, so. And with voice mark, we learned ja, ji, zu, je, jo. Today we are going to learn ta, chi, zu, te, to. Look at here and say ta, chi, zu, te, to. Okay? Let's learn how to write ta, chi, zu, te, to. Ta. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. Ta. 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 Okay? So after ta, it is chi. First stroke, second stroke, chi, 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 chi. Okay? Next is zu. This is a single stroke. You know, we learn si in sorrow, si. This is zu. Okay? Zu. While you pronounce this alphabet, don't say zu. Don't make round the lips. Say zu. Tight your teeth and force from inside. Okay? Zu. Zu. Okay? After zu, next is te. Te also a single stroke alphabet. It is very easy to write. Te. Just straight line, then curve. Te. 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 Okay? Now is to. The last alphabet of this row is to. First stroke, second stroke, to. 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 It should not cross. This row should not cross. It should touch like this. Okay? To. To. Okay? Along with ta, chi, zu, te, to, we also going to learn alphabets with voice mark or dakuten or tenuten. When we put this voice mark in right upper corner of the alphabet, the sound of the alphabet will be changed. Let's see how it is different. This is ta. When we put voice mark, the pronunciation of the alphabet will change to da. The sound of the alphabet will change to da. This is chi. When we put voice mark in right upper corner of the alphabet, the sound changes to G. Next is Z. When we put voice mark, the sound will be Z. Similarly, it is te. After voice mark or dakuten you can say, or tenten, the pronunciation will be de. This is to. After voice mark, the pronunciation will be do. Okay. So read with me. Ta, da, chi, ji, zi, zu, te, de, to, do. My dear friends, while you learn the sorrow, there also we have the same pronunciation G and Z. When we have voice mark after C, this pronunciation also G. And when we have a voice mark after S, the pronunciation also Z. Later we discuss details about this. Okay. So, in today's class we learn ta, chi, zi, te, to, and with voice mark we learn da, ji, z, de, do. Okay. Now times for small test. So, chika, tetsu, chizu, tsuki, taiko, asita, ito. Okay. Read with me. Chika, tetsu, chizu, tsuki, taiko, asita, ito. Okay. My friends, these are for today's lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Sayonara.